everyone, welcome to my channel. In today's video I want to share with you very easy recipe of antibacterial foam soap with essential oils. All the essential oils that are in this recipe, they will help you to fight the bacteria and will prevent the bacteria from spreading, and the soap overall will help to keep the skin of your hands very soft and very smooth. So let me show you the recipe, let me show you the essential oil that I will use, and then I will see you in a bit. So this was the recipe, very easy, very quick, and very effective. I hope that you enjoyed it and you're ready to make your own. As always, follow the safety tips in using essential oils. Make sure that you don't have any allergies. If you do not have any allergies, then you are good to go. The safety tips will be listed in the description box below as always. And that's it for today. I hope that you enjoyed the video. If you did, give me the thumbs up. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, either clicking on this icon over here or on the red button below this video. And I wish you all the best. Have a nice day, everyone. And I will see you in the next video.